Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up? What's up? So this we gonna do. Y'all already know, man. Birthday tomorrow. Had to kick it off with a nice, grand, luxurious hotel. So you know we gonna start off right here. As soon as you walk through the door, big closet, real huge closet. Then they got this bathroom. Bathroom bigger than any bathroom I done been in almost. This thing huge, but this ain't even the fun part. You know, June 26th, you know, is a very special holiday, so we had to kick it off real nice. Just take a look at the living room. Whole living room in the hotel, man. Whole living room. I can open the curtains, I can close them. I don't even need no privacy, cause I'm on the 20th floor. You know, just something a little like that. You know, don't mind the cheese, don't mind that nice little dining area. I forgot what they call these, but you know, they put the chairs right next to the window. You know, you can sit out, stare out the window and stuff. But let's take it. Yeah, look at that. Get a look, grab a thing. Oh, it's the other way. You know what? We just gonna pick it up like this. We just gonna pick it up like that. Nice view of Vegas. You know, had to come kick it out here in Vegas. Y'all know. Come to the master bedroom. It's the only bedroom, but it's still a master bedroom. Look at this. King size bed. I've been used to king size beds, but still. Nice view once again. Just imagine like waking up to this. Or like at night when you know all the hotel lights is gonna be on and stuff. This is thing. And this is all courtesy of the one behind the camera. You know, thank you. I am very appreciative. I am very honored. That's what it is, honored. But let me show you this bathroom. As you can hear, it's an echo already. Oh, this thing, man. Full closet. It got a safe. I don't know how to use it, but a whole safe. It got some robes. They probably too small, but I'ma still wear it. Matter of fact, I'm not taking that thing off when we in here. I ain't gonna need to do that. Look, just makeup counter. What a light at? This is every girl dream right here. His and hers sink. What they call it, throne toilet. Got 2 things of toilet paper. This is just nice. This here.
Oh, nothing.
It ain't nothing. Whole shower, watch your head, you know. Sometimes, you know, when you take a shower, you usually want to sit down and think. Dang, I'm really doing this like this is an MTV crib for real. You know. Then you take a step out. And y'all know, I told y'all before, I'm 6'9". I ain't been in no tub since I was legit 10. You can ask my mama that. Take a look at this. Look at this thing. It got the jets, the bubbles. It got some hand stuff. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm definitely be in this thing tonight. Y'all know what it is, man.
Open the window.
I ain't even noticed that. But it's crazy. So when you dry out, you look hot right
That is not what that's for.
I'm gonna use it for that. Man, that's all right. Let me take these off. But hey, it's on some real stuff though. It's been a few years since I could celebrate my birthday the way that I wanted to. Y'all know with my job and stuff, it's real hard for me to actually like enjoy it. I've been deployed most of my birthdays, and for Big 2-3, you know, I wanted to do something nice, but I ain't know she was gonna go all out like this. So to Kayla, to you, thank you so much.
Aww.
I know this is gonna be the beginning of it. We finna have some fun, man. Y'all know me, man. I don't drink. I barely know how to gamble, but we still finna learn. I ain't gonna learn how to drink, but we gonna learn. We gonna learn how to gamble, have some fun. We ain't gotta do all that. Just Las Vegas, show me what y'all got. And you know we finna do some sneaker shopping. Hey, here it is, you already know. Here we go. Alright, y'all, so big birthday, June 26, 1998, big holiday, 23 years old. So, start the day off. We're at this nice place in Vegas called Stacks and Yokes. They got some pretty fire stuff here. I can't even lie, it look good. Can't wait to try it out. I gotta just show you the menu. I just gotta show you the menu. Look at this. Red velvet pancakes, fruity pebble French toast, cinnamon crunch, chicken breast, all this stuff. I might get a little bit of everything. So, what are we ordering? Let's go down the menu.
We might order everything. I want fruity pebble French toast. A red velvet pancake.
Red velvet pancake.
Chicken and waffles.
Chicken and waffles.
This Arizona skillet. With a side of crab cake.
With a side of crab cakes.
Yeah. Oh.
And then we're adding my short stack of cinnamon toast crunch. And then we just gonna eat everything. It sounds like a lot. It is a lot. But it's gonna get 8 today. Yes. I woke up hungry. Let's see. And just look at the goodness. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit of a long wait, but hey. And it's not all. We're still missing a cinnamon toast crunch version of this. My bad. A cinnamon toast crunch version of this. And some red velvet pancakes. We'll see. But we probably about to start digging in right now because she already eating. It's a lot. That. Like I told you, we was gonna dig in a little bit, but let's see what it look like afterwards. What you mean, my boy?
What you mean, my boy?
Dang, you over here cussing. I gotta edit you out.
Oh, damn. Yeah, edit me out. Oh, it's a part in the beginning, too.
Alright, so watch this. To eat, to end the night off, what'd you do for me?
But it's not the end of the night though.
Okay, so the start of the night, because it's in Vegas, ain't no telling how long it's gonna be up.
Yeah. To start the night off, now I'm saying we're going on a helicopter.
A what?
A helicopter.
Helicopter ride. We're gonna take a view of the city. You already know what it is. They said we probably can't record, but y'all know I'm finna still record. Probably. I don't know yet. But we're gonna see. You ready?
No, I'm scared, but yeah.
What you scared for? You know what's crazy? We work around helicopters all the time. Well, I work around helicopters, and she be around helicopters.
I don't know, get on one.
It ain't bad.
It could be fun.
Let's see. Back home, you guys. Really, the purpose of this video, I just wanted to, just showcase what I did for my birthday. I mean, like, I know it really wasn't that much of a sneaker video. I did pick up some shoes. I picked up some, let me show y'all, some shoes. They're the Carmine 6s. I already did a video on them, so not really much to showcase. Y'all know the shoe. Y'all, look. They so nice. But yeah, just some Carmine 6s. I really just wanted to show what I did for my birthday, because to be honest, this was a long time coming. It's been like 5 years since I've been able to not be at work during my birthday. Like every past 5 years, I've always been at work, regardless if it was military or my job before that. being a lifeguard. Gosh, that was the best job ever. So, but hey, we back home. Vegas was fun. There's a lot of things that I didn't put in this video. I don't know, I really just wanted to enjoy the moment. I kind of didn't. It was a vlog, but it really wasn't too much of a vlog. I just wanted to show like the highlights of Vegas. We still did a lot of other things. It was just, I didn't feel like recording. I didn't feel like, oh yeah, you know, let me work on this angle. Let me make sure you get good light. Let me make sure I do all this stuff. I just wanted to enjoy myself for the time being. Hey, and it turned out. Hopefully next trip, this isn't gonna be the last. Next trip, I might do the whole thing. Who knows? Most likely, yeah. Pick up some shoes. I'll also, like, I know I didn't put in Urban Necessities. It was very, very hectic. It was very hectic. I didn't feel like recording. Too many people around. It's a brand new store, but it was very cool. Might pop up some pictures or something down here or something. It doesn't matter. But I know I've been also a little slow on videos and stuff too. I will start picking back up on shoes and stuff before I go into slow on deployment. When I do go on deployment, I will be going to foreign countries, foreign places, a lot of them that I have been to before. So I will show you what it's like being sneaker stores, clothing stores, all types of stuff in these foreign countries. I know people like to see that. I will have my videos. They would just be more spaced out, probably a month spaced out. Stick with me and everything. But until then, that's in August. Until then, I will be posting more videos. I will get back on the grind. I just gotta stick to it. Y'all already know who it is, man. Slim Takeover. Until next time.